Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of browser extensions, focusing on essential tools for hackers, OSINT enthusiasts, and anyone serious about cybersecurity. We'll explore 20 different extensions, breaking down what each one does and how it can be used in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video will give you a serious edge in online security. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's unlock some serious browser power. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, Wapalizer, a game changer. Imagine landing on a website and instantly seeing every technology they're running. Content management systems, analytics platforms, frameworks. Wapalizer sniffs it out. Knowing what's under the hood is crucial for understanding potential vulnerabilities. It's like having X-ray vision for websites, giving you valuable insights for ethical hacking and security testing. Next, Shodan, not your average search engine. Forget cat videos. Shodan finds internet-connected devices like servers, webcams, and industrial control systems. It's a powerful tool for OSINT investigations, uncovering exposed systems and potential vulnerabilities. Think of it like Google, but for devices. Knowing how to use Shodan effectively can be a game changer for security researchers and ethical hackers. If Wapalizer impressed you, wait till you see Built With. This extension goes beyond identifying technologies, giving you a full rundown of a website's infrastructure. Analytics tools, advertising platforms, content delivery networks, it's all there. This information is invaluable for competitive analysis and identifying security weaknesses. Built With is a must-have for anyone serious about web development and security analysis. Web Developer, your Swiss Army knife. This extension adds a handy toolbar to your browser, offering tools for disabling JavaScript, viewing source code, and editing cookies. It's your go-to for analyzing web pages and debugging issues. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Web Developer is invaluable. It makes life easier for anyone working with websites, giving you the power to manipulate and analyze web pages with ease. User Agent Switcher. Become a browser chameleon. This extension lets you change your browser's user agent string, helping you bypass restrictions and test website rendering on different devices. It's like becoming a browser chameleon, adapting to any situation. User Agent Switcher gives you flexibility and control over how websites see you. It's a must-have for web developers and anyone needing to browse the web like a different device. Proxy, the Proxy Maestro. This extension makes managing proxies a breeze, adding an extra layer of privacy and security. Easily switch between different proxy servers to access geo-restricted content and protect your identity. It's like having a network of secret tunnels for anonymous and secure web navigation. Proxy is essential for privacy enthusiasts and security researchers. HTTPS Everywhere, Encrypt All the Things. This extension automatically switches thousands of sites from insecure HTTP to secure HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts communication between your browser and websites, making it harder for hackers to intercept data. HTTPS Everywhere is like a bodyguard for your browser, protecting your online activity. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your privacy and security. Privacy Badger. Blocking those pesky trackers. Online tracking is invasive, but Privacy Badger blocks spying ads and invisible trackers. It gives you control over your privacy, learning over time to block trackers that follow you across the web. It's like an ad blocker on steroids, designed to protect your online anonymity. Privacy Badger is a must-have for anyone who values their privacy. NoScript. Taking control of your scripts. This extension gives you granular control over the scripts that run on websites. Selectively enable and disable scripts to block potentially harmful ones while allowing trusted ones. It's like having a security guard at your browser's door, screening every script. NoScript is powerful for online security, but requires some technical know-how. Tamper Data, the HTTP/HTTPS Whisperer. This tool lets you view and modify HTTP/HTTPS headers and post parameters. It's useful for web application testing, allowing you to manipulate requests and responses. Tamper data is like having surgical tools for web traffic, giving you precision control. It's essential for anyone serious about web security. Cookie Editor, Master of the Cookies. This extension gives you complete control over cookies, allowing you to view, edit, and delete them. It's useful for session management testing and identifying security vulnerabilities. Think of Cookie Editor as your browser's personal pastry chef, giving you power over cookies. It's a must-have for understanding how websites use cookies and ensuring online privacy. Hackbar, your pocket-sized security audit toolkit. This tool adds a powerful toolbar to your browser for security testing. Features include SQL injection testing, XSS vulnerability scanning, and encoding tools. It's like having a pocket-sized security audit toolkit in your browser. Hackbar makes security testing more accessible and efficient. Burp Suite, the security testing powerhouse. This integrated platform offers tools for intercepting and modifying web traffic, automating security scans, and exploiting vulnerabilities. The free version is incredibly powerful, offering unparalleled depth and flexibility. Burp Suite is the industry standard for web application security testing. It's a must-have for anyone serious about web security. OWASP ZAP, Open Source Security Superhero. This free tool offers features for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. Automated scanners, spidering tools, and manual testing features make it comprehensive. OWASP ZAP is constantly evolving thanks to contributions from security experts worldwide. It's an excellent alternative to Burp Suite for those who prefer open-source solutions. Firebug, the OG web development companion. Firebug lets you inspect HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in real time, make changes, and see results instantly, gaining a deep understanding of websites. While modern browsers have similar tools, Firebug's interface is still preferred by many. It's a valuable tool for web developers who prefer a hands-on approach. Web Scraper Data Extraction Made Easy. This extension makes web scraping user-friendly and powerful. Create sitemaps to navigate websites and extract specific data points. It's like having virtual assistants collecting data from websites. Web Scraper is invaluable for data journalists, market researchers, and anyone needing web data. Data Miner, from web pages to spreadsheets in a flash. This extension makes it easy to scrape data from web pages and export it into spreadsheets. Its point-and-click interface is user-friendly, even for web scraping newbies. Select data elements, and Data Miner organizes them into neat rows and columns. It's like a magic wand transforming web data into structured spreadsheets. Hunter, the email address detective. This extension finds email addresses associated with websites or companies. Hunter scours the web for publicly available information to compile verified email addresses. It's like having a private investigator specializing in contact information. Hunter is invaluable for recruiters, marketers, and anyone needing to find email addresses quickly. Maltego Visualizing Connections, Uncovering the Truth. This data mining tool uses a graphical interface to represent data, making it easy to see relationships and patterns. It's like having a giant detective board, connecting the dots and uncovering hidden connections. Maltego is powerful for investigating security incidents and conducting competitive intelligence. It's essential for visualizing and analyzing relationships in complex datasets. Recon-eng, the Web Reconnaissance Powerhouse. This framework automates the process of collecting information from various sources. It's like having a team of digital investigators gathering information about your target. Recon-eng is useful for security professionals and ethical hackers. It's a powerful tool for web reconnaissance and further analysis. And that's a wrap. We've covered 20 powerful browser extensions to enhance your hacking, OSINT, and cybersecurity skills. These tools are essential for anyone serious about online security and investigations. Remember to use these tools responsibly and ethically. The goal is to make the internet a safer place, and these extensions can be powerful allies. Download these extensions, start exploring, and level up your browser game. See you in the next video.